It would appear the circus is in town. Damn bloody switch again. Not even turning on this time. Ten cans in my local shop, 10 cans of John Smith's is 10 quid. For 18 cans in Asda, it's 12. Yeah, I think the decision there is made for me. I get a good couple of days worth of drink out of that. Well, quite a few. Do anyone else see that? We got some fucking rock in the middle of the road. Look at it. Nearly knocked me off. Big rocking road. No one else, like in a car, gets out because they don't care or they don't see it. And they say lads on bikes don't watch what they're doing. Our eyes are open more than most because we know it's our bloody arses on the line. Well, the front end's off again. My phone just went off. Yeah, it's sat over there, upside down. It's getting new fork oil. God knows when it's been done. You should be doing that like every 20,000 mile. That's done about 100,000. And this stuff, this one was the clean jar. You can already see it's just black. It's bitty with metal, kind of pearlescent. It's taken on a lot of contamination as well, and it smells weird. It actually smells of treacle. I'm used to it smelling a bit fishy, or extremely fishy, enough to put you off your lunch, but that just smells of treacle. So that's that off the road for now. I might put my 14 tooth front sprocket on. It's brand spanking new, I haven't had it on yet, for a bit of hooligan time. So taking it one down on the front, it's like putting 3 on the back. It'll make the acceleration a little bit quicker, lift the front end easier. Losing top end, no, it'll just rev faster because the top end isn't as much. Might lose 1-2 mile an hour tops, but I'm rarely up that end anyhow. If I'm at top end, I'm in trouble. So yeah, new fork oil arrives tomorrow or Monday. I've got to sort that exhaust out now. That's nearly done. If anyone knows where there's a tank for a YBR Custom, let me know, because that's all I'm short of. Everything else is done. New bars, new cage on the front, forks wrapped up here, exhaust welded up, made stronger in the weak place because Yamaha's exhaust systems are always awful. So I've strengthened it up, I've repainted it with a VHT and then wrapped it. Everything else has been matte black, satin blacked out, just to give it a better look. But yeah, that's one piece. There is a tank on eBay, but it wants 100 quid for it, and it's got dents in it, so he's asking too much. It is brand new, but it's damaged new, whereas a brand new, perfect condition one was only at 70 quid. Where's he pulling his numbers out from? But yeah, that's my day done.